How to make a discount code on Shopify. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create a discount code on Shopify. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you will simply open up your Shopify store and you will get right here. This is our admin. So on our admin, you can see we have home, order, product, customer, and then we have discount right here. So you're going to click on discounts and it will take you right here. So to create a new discount, you will click on create discount. Now you have to select what kind of discount you want to create. Amount of product, amount of order, buy X and get Y, free shipping. So these are the different kind of discounts available. You will select the type you want to go for. So I'm going to go with the simple one, which is amount of product, like 10% off a product, 20% off a product, something like that. So I'm going to select this one. All right, so here we have amount of product discount that I can create. First of all, what is going to be the method? If it's going to be a discount code or automatic discount. So I'm going to go with a code. So to generate a code, you can just click on generate. And this is the new code that I have. This is my discount code. Perfect. We have a code now. A value. So you want to go with a percentage or a fixed value. For example, you want to go with $20 off a product or $30 off a product, or you want to go with a percentage, 10%, 20%. So I'm going to go with percentage and it's going to be 20% of my products. Now we have to select the products, specific product or a specific collection. So I'm going to go with a specific product right here and we're going to browse the product from here and I'm going to select this product and click on add. So now we have like 9 variants, like 9 products that I have 20% off on. And then we have minimum purchase requirement. If you want to have any requirements, you can select no minimum purchase amount or quantity. Then we have customer eligibility. So I'm going with no minimum requirements and then all customers. And then we have 2 options such as maximum discount uses. So again, I'm not going to limit my customers to anything. So I'm not going to select these, but you can select limit number of times this discount can be used in total or limit to 1 use per customer. Okay, let's go with this one because I don't want to go over the board and like someone buying 10 products with 20% off. So let's go with 3 products. 3 times you can use this discount. Then we have active dates. So this is where I will add a start date. Maybe it starts today and I'm going to set an end date. And this is going to be for 15 days. This code, it will be valid. So I'm going to select a date from here, 15 days, and we're going to select 20th. Now, what you have to do is click on save discount and a new discount will be created on your store. You can see this is the discount right here. I will click on get shareable link, copy link. So this is my code right here, my discount code that I created on Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.